Welcome back to VettePros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 2007 C6 Corvette LS2 engine for sale. Go ahead and start it up here. This engine starts right up. Oil pressure is right at 40. This engine has 94,418 miles on it. This is the 400 horsepower LS2 engine. Currently mated up to a 6-speed transmission. Go ahead and rev it up. This engine is in top shape with no knocks or ticks or leaks. It'll make a great replacement for your Corvette or an excellent starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. If you have any questions, give us a call at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.